Hey guys, this is Ryan with AZ Quail Today, coming to you today to share with you one of my favorite family recipes that me and my kids and I grew up doing as well with my dad and my mom. We do a Dove recipe, and we always make sure on every Labor Day that we eat Dove. So here's one of my favorite ones. This is an easy little recipe. I got 10 frozen Dove breasts in here, you can see. These were shot on opening morning. And you could probably do this with quail, but this is actually letting that thaw out. And then here's about some pineapple juice. I had poured it in there. Now what I'm gonna do is just pour a little bit more of that pineapple in there. It's gonna marinate it, make it really, really good. I'm gonna save a bunch of little of these pineapples for putting inside the chest cavity, along with some jalapenos. I'll slice these up later today, and then I wrap it with bacon, and then I grill it. And you make sure you have to get a toothpick to stick in there to kind of hold it all together. I'll show that for you later today. And it's an awesome little recipe. Great for football season, to sit on the couch and eat some Dove. Great to warm up your skills as a quail hunter. I don't take my dog out there because I don't want my dog getting mixed up between Dove and quail, but me and the kids, we go out, we shoot some birds all the time during Dove season, just to warm up some shooting skills and to have a great time. Okay, so we're gonna finish making Dove. I let it marinate all day long. I had the Dove breasts along with the jalapenos and some of the pineapple. And then I have this incredible special ingredient called cream cheese. And so you can see right here, I've got most of all the Dove breasts done and ready to go. So I'm gonna show you the last one in which to do. Now again, look at this, we have a bonus meat down here, look at that. Oh, it's the heart. The heart is the best part. Okay, so we're gonna do, check this out. We're gonna put this pineapple down in here. Come look, are you looking? Put the pineapple down in there. I put a little cream cheese in there. I'm gonna wrap this breast with a couple pieces of jalapeno. Grab the bacon, wrap it, boom. Look how that's not hard. And the heart is hanging out just for the best part. Stab that sucker, and we're ready to go. So that is basically it. And you can finish your own. So again, remember, just marinate the Dove breasts. You can breast them out real quick in the field. And then you're supposed to leave a wing on the bird, so if Game and Fish stops you, you can prove what you shot. But you get it to this point right here, throw it in the freezer real quick, leave it, and then wait till Labor Day or whenever you want to serve it. I'd at least get 10 birds or 15 birds for at least a couple of folks. But these make great appetizers, awesome football treats, great additions to a good meal. You got pineapple, jalapeno, Dove breast, cream cheese. I'm about to throw these on the grill and they're gonna be incredible. That's it.